bestie.
Nana ang sitwasyon. Kami na laman ba yata?
Ganun no.
Ah.
Busod na na ito.
This is my... This is... We are bestie. This is our other bestie. Okay. I'm not gonna show you because next because she part 3 because she doesn't like to she doesn't like
Madi.
This is our other bestie. This is our look for part 3. Part 1. You will cannot see my best friend. Part 1. You cannot see my best friend because she doesn't want to face rebuild. No face rebuild. It is face rebuild. Oh, oh.
Busy daw tayo siya. Yan natin kaisa.
Bayad mga kabataan.
Naanak ng panangkuhan.
You want to see my other bestie again.
Kasunod si Adlagi.
Hello guys. If you want to see my other bestie, she's on the phone right now. But I don't know. This is part 3, so let's
Balay do it.
just do it. No,
Gabi ko yung
bro, it's part 3. I said it's not, bro. It's not. Bro, it was not. It was not. I swear. There's our other bestie. The other two besties.
Easy. Mahal pa kay bayan.